Hello, hello. This is Linda Waterhouse of lindawaterhouse.com, and I'll be sharing another LinkedIn tip with you today. So while I share my screen, I will tell you that today we are going to be talking about editing or deleting a post. How many of us have gone to our LinkedIn profiles and posted something and then we realized that we made a mistake, we made a typo, or we wanted to tag somebody? I know I have. So this is what's going to be showing up. Usually it's your newsfeed. So we can only change or delete posts that we have created. So the one thing that we want to do is go to our profile. And by that, we go up here to our name and we say view profile. And after we get to our profile, we're going to scroll down till we see our activity. And in our activity, we're going to click see all. Now what's going to be here is all the activity that I have done recently. Every like, every comment, every time I've shared. It could be a long time coming, so I'm going to click on posts because that will show only the posts that I've done. So here is a post, and say I always suggest that people ask a question so that other people who read it want to engage. So the way that we do it is we go to the upper right hand corner of a post and see the three dots, and we click on that, and you can see that you can feature on top of the profile. That's similar to pinning on Facebook, but we can also edit the post or delete the post. I don't want to delete the post, but if you want to delete your post and start all over, you can do it here, but I want to edit. So I will edit, and let's say I want to say something like, getting all my typos in here. How has your social media changed since the lockdown? Okay, and then all we have to do is save. And as you can see, it was changed immediately. And by the way, as a little bonus, I'll show you how you can even do the same thing with a comment. Say that you want to edit one of your comments, you can click on edit again or delete, and that's the way that you can change your comments. I hope that you found this helpful. Please visit lindawaterhouse.com for more free resources. Thank you.